What's up, guys? Today I have this. Sorry, it's upside down. The Winston from 1992 pack of cards. By Max Race Cards right there. Then we're gonna be opening up. That shows all the guys they can get. 50 cards are in this pack. Let's go through it. See who we got. Here's the big stack right there. Ton of cards. I think I got everything out. Boxes fell. Let's go. Alright, up first, our first card, Davey Allison. My opinion, he's a legend. Up next, Ken Schrader. Bill Elliott, Chase Elliott's dad. Awesome Bill from Dawsonville, some of you guys know him. Alan Kulwicki. The King, Richard Petty. Daryl Waltrip. I obviously know him for doing his boogity, boogity, boogity. We got Jeffrey Bodine. Michael Waltrip. Mark Martin. Morgan Shepherd. And here's all the cars, my bad. Davey Allison's number 28 Havoline car. Ken Schrader's number 25 Kodiak car. Bill Elliott's number 11 Budweiser car. I have a die cast of this. Alan Kulwicki's number 7 Hooters machine. Obviously a classic car right here. Richard Petty's STP machine. Daryl Waltrip's number 17 Western Auto machine. Sorry, I would have thought that was tied. I didn't know what sponsor that was. Jeffrey Bodine's number 15 Motorcraft machine. Michael Waltrip's number 30 Pennzoil machine. And then Mark Martin's number 6 Valvoline machine. Oh, and of course we have Morgan Shepherd's number 21 Sitco machine. Thought that was the last guy. Right, here's a nice card. Qualifying session. Got Davey Allison right there. I believe he was the pole sitter. Let me see. Yeah, Davey Allison was the pole sitter for that race. All right. There's the Winston Open winner, Michael Waltrip. First segment, see Davey and Rusty. Okay, goes straight to the third segment. Looks like Daryl Waltrip went through the grass. Victory Lane, obviously. Davey Allison won that. I think it's a very famous race. Alright. Kyle Petty, right there. Richard Petty's son. Oops, just knocked off a whole bunch of cards. Ricky Rudd. Rusty Wallace. Ernie Irvin. Terry Labonte. Eric Gant. He's in the Hall of Fame now. And in my opinion, the GOAT, Dale Earnhardt. Then we got Dave Madder III. I've never heard of him. Dale Jarrett. And Hut Strickland. Never heard of him either. So there must be some guys forgotten. Alright, here we go. Kyle Petty's number 42 Mellow Yellow machine. I have a die cast of that. I have a 124 and 164 scale right there of his car. Ricky Rudd's number 5 Tide machine. Rusty Wallace, number 2, Miller machine. Yeah, that was Miller. Ernie Irvin's classic number 4 Kodak machine. Terry Labonte's number 94 Sunoco fuel machine. Oops, almost got these out of order. Harry Gant, number 33 Skull Bandit machine. Dale Earnhardt's classic number 3 Good Wrench machine. Dave Matter III, number 9 Max Race Card Melling machine. Would have thought that Bill Elliott would drive that car. Dale Jarrett's number 18 Interstate Batteries machine for Joe Gibbs Racing. Some people forget that he drove that car. And then finally Hut Strickland's number 12 Ray Besto's Brakes machine. Yep, here it is. Your pole winner, Davey Allison. The final pace lap right there. See the whole field. So here's the second segment card. You see Morgan Shepherd and Dave Matter III up front. You see Petty and, well, both Petty's back there as well. Then the checkered flag. I believe this part very famous. Some of you guys might see it. I've seen it before. It's where Kyle Petty took out Davey Allison the final lap. Across the line. Very famous. Then here it is. Davey Allison with the Winston 92 trophy. And that's all the cards. So all 50 cards right here. Went through them all. And in my opinion, that was a pretty cool set. That was a really cool set, to be honest. There you go. Winston 92. I liked that set. That was cool. That was cool. I wish they did more cards like that for the All-Star race now. But that was a cool set. Definitely recommend getting it. I don't know if you even can get it. Probably off Amazon or eBay. But real cool set. Definitely recommend getting it. I got this over at Goodwill with a ton of other 90 cards that I don't even know if you can call it a stream because it wasn't even up for 20 minutes. But I opened up a few of those. I don't think I'll be opening up those again. But if you guys want to see a video on those other 90s cards I have, go definitely in the comments of my channel. I have a few ones that I have not opened yet. And hope you guys enjoyed this video because I definitely did. And see you guys in the next one.